Good boy. What are you doing? Checking that out. What are you doing? What are you doing? You rolling around? Got a new haircut and stuff, and you're just gonna roll around and all this? Really? What's up? You've been sleeping all day. This is how you treat me when I get home? Yeah? What are you doing? Who's you a big boy, huh? Who's a big boy? Where's Bo? What's up, man? What are you doing? You gonna be lazy? You gonna hang out? What's up? You do some yard work with me? Yeah. Looks like I'm on my own. Supposed to be a working dog. Right? What? Uncle's coming over. And Mama's coming home. When's she coming home? He's a good boy. You're gonna have a new friend around here. Huh. What's that, a squirrel?